recording start. It's September 19, around 7:19 p.m. I'm here at Azuela Cove going for a walk, and I'm here to record my observation. So right now I see a couple of people. People from different ages, but I see particularly people, well, based on their aesthetic and looks, around mid-30s, wearing the right gear. So I'm here with a friend. Nauna siya, but we'll see. I see people already finished with their run, but I see people that just starting. I have to be careful with that. Well, let's start the observation. Well, I've been walking here in Azuela for quite some time now, but I noticed na nakagtao din. And I don't necessarily know when it started, because I already heard from a friend that a lot of people are walking here or jogging. Well, I'm not for that. I'm walking lang. I see young professionals, maybe from different ages. I also see people from the middle age group walking. Yeah. I don't know where to start with this observation, but first question is, when did it start? That's my first question. Yeah. I see people behind me. May mag-uyab. Saklap. Anyway. Yep, here people. May mag-uyab dito. Nakita ba? Na yung mga nag-walk dyan, diba? Una mo na sila kayo na 21K finisher. I'm not like that. 5K finisher lang ko. But, kahit paano. Well, I see people from different sizes. I see a Muslim woman. Oh, nag-hijab siya. Iga ko na, no? Nag-try niya. Anyway, yeah. She's wearing hijab. Pero naka-jacket siya and all. Inita, no eh. Pero, committed siya. I see a woman, I think in her 50s, doing basic stretching. I think she's going for a run after this. Nauna na akong friend. I see kids from Ateneo. Ay, nasa dali. Running man eh. Git-git mo kayo. Anyway. Yep. Ako yung nakita na babae. Yung overtake siya sa kuha. Similar. Yung professional. I think because the tao during this time, like siguro in an average every 30 minutes, ay mga but athlete ba na sila? Triathlete? Ito ko mga muscles. Siguro every 30 seconds or so, ma-overtaken ko mga 2 or 3 ka tao. Well, dili man is still some pressure. But I notice other people here are taking pictures while walking. Others are bringing their dog. May doggo dito. Hey doggo. Hello doggo. And may mga kids. Good thing. May mga bata. Okay, observation. Lisod ba na yun, no? Oh, but really taking the assignment to heart. Look at the dogo. Oh, the dogo is so small. Hello. Yeah, lugay ko siya. Hindi siya ka makita. But the dogo is so small. Tara, small. Small. Anyway, nanapin mo uyab. Char, later. Okay, ghost. Researcher ka today. But yeah. I still see like my friends, like they sing isa ka-walk. Good for them. I think umulan siya. Pero I think, see? Just what I said earlier, people are taking the pictures before the run. Is it just for aesthetic, or is it really people are committed to it? When did it start? Punuhan ba niya Venezuela? I mean, is this the after effect of the pandemic that everyone's very conscious with health? Even me, right? But I have to. Everyone's so conscious about health. I see a lean, di ba nag-lean yung maulo ta sila, pero sige lang, go with the flow. Pili ko katawan ko ni Doc Nelly yan eh. Naghihanga ka sa video. Wala lang. Pero I'll take this part. 15 minutes siguro, no? But sige, go. Exhibit B. Mag-partner na naman. Okay, so I think I'm pretty sure isa sila ang health conscious and their partner. May mga college students pa. Good for them. I see an older guy, I think from working security, na may logo. Oh, may mga headsets, nakagwapo, naka-brought up sila. Sana all. I saw someone wearing a tawagan na plastic bag na jacket. Nakita na bata, nag-run siya. And wala siya naka-tire. Yung shoes is hindi pang running, sneaker siya. Kasakit na still. Anyway, in fairness, kapuda sa Venezuela. I think the route that I'm taking in right now is around 2 kilometers na siya. And I think like back and forth siguro mga 2.8. Kaya I always go for 2 rounds. Practice maka 5K. Wala akong personal tapos sustain ko na siya. I wish makaabot ko 10K, then 21K. Naisa ka, fit na kasi na guy. Paso siya dagan. Sa all. I see a guy as big as me. Pero, mas tigulang din siya. Sorry. Bawal. Yeah, fairness. Nagawaki po siya. Okay. I didn't share or specify earlier that everyone has their own speed, pace. Others are just walking like me. Others are jogging, like hopping. Others are really running. And ang mga nandito pabalik na sila. Nakuha kami sa on my way first or so quiet. Hindi nakakuha lang hangak siguro ang dunggan. But yeah, thoughts. Nag-wonder kung why. Well, at least ako in my case, when I started, because I sort of had this allergy kasi sa thigh. When I had it checked, naglipid profile, I found that medyo taas akong sugar. That's the reason. I think early this year, and that's the reason why I started. Like, nawala na ako about 7 kilos altogether. So I'm trying to maintain that and lose some more. Okay. People might be thinking I'm an idiot when I'm talking to my phone. But, but sige lang. Paris grades, charot lang dok. Everyone's wearing the headsets. I know not everyone. Oh, no, shortcut. Pero ba ni go through dyan siya. Consistent sila. I'm not friends. Mag-start nag-train for something. Sabagin sila. For you guys. Okay, so almost like halfway. Ito, di malubat akong phone. But, I don't know how to record kasi using voice memos. So I did the video instead. I see someone na I assume lang na siya epilepsy, na siya something disorder, physical though. Oh, nagalit siya lakaw, but kawak siya and he seems happy. Good for him. You know, you thought na mga tao na tigil na yeah. And I just passed by a car. Yung lalaki sa sulod, kapag music lang siya. I think lahat yung plano nung nasa dire. But I'm here to focus on preserving the environment. Yeah, so I'm focusing on why people are running out here in Venezuela. Why not before? Is it because this place was just built? Sarap siya human, pero laga na siya na ano, like magya na siya. I think because of this condo, magod ba? Pero I'm wondering if wala rin siya na-build, pili ba man ng mga tao? Diba? Kasi I've noticed, mga taga Manila, dakan mo sa area where yun pa sa jog sila. Kapag hindi na Davao, medyo wala ka tayo aesthetic, diba? Aesthetic man siya. But yeah, I think the next, I know daghan pong tao sa Coastal Road. So I'm gonna write to my paper after this para inspired. Napaka-idea. Ay, taligsik ko, Lord. Ay, nakulan lang. Lord, ay nakulan na. Hindi ko gusto magkasakit. But yeah, I'm still okay. Anyway, continue to my observation. Mag-shortcut because shortcut. Itong couple papalik na sila. How many minutes now? Sorry, itayin ako 20 minutes. But yeah. Iba nag-walk na sila pabalik. Uban, nag-start na katog. Take ilang pace. But I like walking. But there's freedom. Yes, I don't know. When I started, no, feel of work. I was motivated. Okay, kung mapayat kita and so on. But anyway, if I enjoyment in it, nakalang gaan siya sa feeling. Gaan siya sa feeling. Like physical accomplishment. Kahit pa paano. Yan ay, ano, mga kagad kanya-kanya lang og tuyo consult. Ulo ta. Yung t-shirt kay Ultra Marathon. Wala mo tas lahat eh. Apa yung mag-uyab? Bitter lagi ko sa mag-uyab. Dili ko bitter oy. Na nalagay ka no, they come in pairs. An observation. Yeah, I think siguro it's easier to walk with someone if, I mean, to pursue like physical activity if you have someone to share it with. Oh, like, daw layo sila. Yan, hindi na po yung mag-friends. Ay, sa pasasuda lang, isa kaya pahulay pa siya. Nag-catch up. Na isa na ibit. Right? Pinako siya isa. Yeah, there's this guy na naman. Maulot ka sa yung t-shirt. There's an observation, I think. I'm halfway. 20 minutes lang ako. May nagabike eh. Sa construction yun na siya. But why? People are running. Why? Why now? May kubad na ka ng ano, ilang t-shirt. Kanang, it's clearly na kanang jersey. But jersey, bitaw ka na. At saka na pang running good na kanang sa fun run and marathon. They're using it to flex. I don't know. But good for them. Sabi lang, wala sila nagagamit ng kuwan. Like running shoes. Ergonomically, dapat good pag running shoes. Dakag brand rin na Adidas. Actually na ako Adidas. Kinahan ko. Pero, yeah. 20 minutes siguro ko recording, no? Napasan ako sa bata. Yeah, pero nag-jog na ay, bakit lang kailangan ko specific shoes for jogging kaya wala lagi na kami ergonomically dapat naman good. I see Chinese people. I think Chinese businessmen eh. My grandchild with her kids. Kapay lang car. But yeah, the next question is how frequently sila I don't know, like ako like once a week. Well, I could have done more, but ako once a week ko nag-walk at least dapat 3 times a week. Pwede ka ma-exhaust. I don't know how many times mga tao na doon eh. Yeah, may mga older couple na sa mga senior. Amazing. Silang tuwa together. Ang cute. Cute. Yeah. You thought no na kanang running era is just for millennials. Kasi yun na ba, kanil millennials. Kaya anak ko 30s, early 30s na. But I saw couple. Tiko lang sila. And they look so sweet together. I see familiar people from schoolmate ko from SBC. Walking pa sila. But let's go back to the old couple. Alang, ayan, masakit saka naka-joke sila, no? Hindi ka sakit or fear of kasi usually when you ask the person why you want to be healthy, their usual response is I want to have more time with my loved ones, especially my kids or their grandchildren. I don't know, I'm sorry. I see a family Tanan. And together with our kids. Amazing. Was early as that, no? I see couple. Well, I'm with my friend. So, dili ko counted na alone. Diba? Alone na siya. Others here are together. Naku, dili ko siya ma-enjoy. I don't know. I don't have the statistics for it, but if you're gonna look at it, kalami sa feeling ko tadi na bulan. Lagi mo siya. Here. 20 minutes ay siya ang 1 round. Ano? Lord, taligsik na siya doon. Ayaw sa taon. 1 round ako. Hindi ko gusto. I wanna achieve more. May magmama. Diba? Wala po ibang uyag. Oh, better. Ano kasi nana, no? We'll see. Ang hakali eh. Still here. Serving them. Uy. Katuyon ako ganina na same na akong size. Gihamak na siya. Wala ko lang. Ako at least ako kay ano pa. Kaya pala ako. But he looks older than me. I think in his late 30s, 40s. Early 30 pala ako eh. That's why I wanted to push this. Because hindi ko gusto na mabot sa time na palisog lakaw, wala kanina all. I still want to be agile. I can go to places on my own without asking anyone for help. Kung nakataligsik yun siya. So, officially, absent ko sa bata. Sana all. Hagak eh. See, lagi pa nagka-video. I don't know lang, of course, I'm doing this, no? Pero I don't record myself when I walk. I'm wondering lang why there's a need for us. I don't know, like, even though like as mundane as walking or jogging, we have to, because it's, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Strava. That's an app wherein you meet people and sort of nagapatakasan na yung kilometers, you know. Wait, wala kayo nagkakawa no? Dili ba ang tanagawa lang ko. I see a bigger guy, like bigger than me. Good job po siya. Good for him. Go sir. Uy, nag-walk naman din siya. Sorry. Nag-jog lang siya. Pila ka minutes. Ay, seconds. Jude, 10 seconds. Nag-jog siya kasi nag-walk na siya. Why? False alarm. And I think, I observe the cars there. I think it's difficult to like jog here if you don't have a car. It's gonna be difficult. It's not for everyone good. I see another older guy. I think in his 50s. Like around. Good for him. Production sa bata. Uy, 10K finisher. Sana all. Another one. Nag-run din sila. Good for them. I think we need to categorize. There's beginners, there's intermediate, and there are hardcore runners. But I think there's also category for aesthetic runners. Yeah, katulad ka ng pictures. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Everyone can have car. Well, disclaimer, akong friend na car. Pero ako lang, i-avail ako. Pero diba, everyone has their own car. Feeling ako, luxury siya. You know, you want to ano sa socio-economic status ng mga tao eh. May cutie, hello. Ay, sorry. Sorry, Doc. But yeah. Nag-wonder ka sa socio-economic status nila. Kasi number one, Azuela is dili siya accessible. Well, accessible to everyone, but tuyo unon siya. Diba? And imagine, if mag-jog ka, compare lang sa People's Park, but the type of people that nag-run dito are older women. Or na may men, pero sa kanang women. Here are young professionals. Dili ba this is a way for them to find a partner na same interest sila? Nga gani ko na cutie. Marupok. Oh, tara, nalapot. I see some older people. Couple, another couple. Good for them. Yan ako sa 26 minutes. Ay, nagtataligsik na siya, Lord. Ay, isa pa ulan na. Here I am. Another schoolmate. Schoolmate ako siya kambal. Ay. Oh. But kat naka-round ba ako? According to Strava, how many ano na ko? Ay, ayoko, mawala ang video. Ay, mawala ang video. Ito minutes yun. Yeah, tama. Nag-range siya ba ng ito? So, recap. Okay, first question. When nag-start the learning year sa mga tao? If I can remember, it's not early this year. If it's after the pandemic, it should be right after pandemic. I don't know, maybe sa other locations, but specifically here in Davao, na-observe na ko siya, it's been, at kasi dili magod nga sila or nag-ato sila sa climb sa mountains. That ba ako napansin. But right now, I'm observing in terms of age group, mas tagal ng mga millennials. Like, nagkasabay dyan sila, baby group din sila. And pag yung mga enthusiasts, like, social club or something. Akong friend, naka-round 2 na. Round 2 na siya. But here, I see another couple. Well, siguro. Kasi I have a friend na siya kay grabe ka, conscious ka siya sa health. Ang problem is, yung partner is dili conscious. Yok na sa circle. Yung partner niya dili conscious sa health. Ay na si Picos. So gina-push niya partner to ano. I think ano siguro lang sorry no. I don't know. I don't know them. Pero ano ka ba? Anong couple should sila? Diba? Nasa anak. Wala ba anak? Or kung sila both ang interested na then good. Pero mag-wonder ka. Diba? Yep. Habi, huli siguro sa round 1. And I'll go back for round 2. But I think I have to focus na. I completed the assignment na. I'll write my paper after this. Saka pa yung title, The Running Era of the Millennial. Nice title. Sige. Napad yun sila. Grabe, sabay-sabay yun sila. Stretching. Alright. Bye.